Hey everybody, Chris here. So, a little recovery happening with Dogecoin. We're going to be looking at the bullish outlook ahead. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when the new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we've got a lot of bears in the comments and the response that I've been getting based on these pullbacks that we've been having. And yes, these are normal. This is normal trading that happens. We're talking about the chop as well, and we'll be exploring that yet again on Monday, a live stream at 5 o'clock, so join me then. This is all normal. Let's go ahead and let's look at the bigger picture here. That's what I've been talking about, is the bigger picture ahead for cryptocurrencies and Doge. Let's take a look at the charts and the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So this is the current Dogecoin chart while I'm recording this, and we did have this dip last night down to 13.6 right there, and Dogecoin has recovered this morning, coming back up to right where we were at 14.2. That's right where we are. Again, sideways trading with some dips. So some people were buying here yesterday around 13.9, and then we had this dip down here down to 13.6. But let's zoom out a bit. And let's look at the bigger picture that we have. On the 2-hour chart, we are exploring this reverse head and shoulders. Yes, we do have, from the drop from 21 cents down, we are developing this reverse head and shoulders. This was the white line that would be the completion of the next shoulder, which would be a move back up around 16, 17 cents right there, which would then lead to an upward run back to 21. So that's what this is turning out to be just from a charting standpoint. What the news has to show is a much bigger picture. We could end up still with some sideways trading in here in the 14, 15 cent range. That could continue based on the overall economic conditions that we have, with fighting inflation and rising interest rates still not favorable overall, and that may negate the completion of that shoulder. But we'll continue to explore that going forward. It's not something immediate that's going to happen. But let's take a look at the bigger picture here. And the bigger picture is, what Jill says here is, people spend all of 2023 talking about monthly resistance levels. Right? Where are the resistance levels? As we had this run on Bitcoin up to and over its previous all-time high. But now it's time to talk about monthly support. And these people are being quiet. So this is the support line right here, and that's right where Bitcoin is at 62K. Is that overall on the monthly? That is support and could be the springboard for Bitcoin going higher. Let's look at another one, what Mag says. Has Bitcoin bottomed out? Each time Bitcoin has traded at or slightly below the 100 moving average on the daily chart, it has marked the local bottom, followed by an aggressive upside rally. Last time the price tested the 100-day moving average was in January, and the price has pumped 90% since then. So overall, we have, in a bear market, every time Bitcoin goes above the 100-day moving average, it's time to sell, right? It's happened 1, 2, 3, 4 times through the bear market in 2022. So what do we have in 2023? Each time Bitcoin drops below the 100-day moving average, it's time to buy the dip. That's right where we are right now. It's right where we are right now. This is the signal to buy more, as this is going to move forward up higher. Dan Crypto, here we have Bitcoin has now been consolidating around its previous all-time high for about 9 weeks. The 2013 all-time high was hit back in early 2017, and then it was 12 weeks of chop right there, 12 weeks of chop before exploding higher. 2017, this took 9 weeks. This was the 2017 all-time high. Early 2021, or kind of late 2020, is when we had chop here for about 9 weeks before moving up to a new all-time high. Here we are again, sideways chop. What is the next move? Many are saying this is very reminiscent of 2013, where we could have this explosion happening coming forward. So that's the big picture. That's what I've been talking about. And that's how I'm trading this as well. Buying on dips and seeing if there really is this next leg up for Dogecoin. We have a big support level here with Doge. This is, Doge has been wrestling with a bearish trend, but is now approaching a robust support level. We are there now, I think, characterized by a substantial volume of Doge, representing a point where historical buying interest has been strong enough to prevent further price declines. The presence of such a significant support zone suggests that there is potential for a reversal. The sentiment and market conditions align favorably. And that's why I still think we're going to have some chop here, because we're not quite ready on the economic side of things for yet that big run up. Here we have Dogecoin price prediction. Can Dogecoin bulls overcome this hurdle? After a close below 15 cents, Dogecoin price extended losses and moved into a short-term bearish zone like Bitcoin and Ethereum and just about the rest of the crypto market. So those of you guys saying that Doge is trash, Doge is dropping, it's like, have you seen what everything else is doing? It's the same. It's not just Doge that has been in this bearish trend over the past few weeks. No, it's all of crypto. And it started with that, Iran-Israel thing. Everyone worried about World War III and all that. All of crypto went down. It wasn't just Dogecoin. A low was formed at 1358. Doge is attempting a recovery wave. That's where we are right now. There was a minor increase above 1420 resistance. Price climbed above the 23.6% fib, retracement level of the downward move. So, Dogecoin is still below 1450. 100 simple moving average on the 4-hour chart. On the upside, the price is facing resistance near 14.3. There's also a key bearish trend line forming the resistance at 14.3 on the 4-hour chart. The next major resistance near 1450 level, 100 simple moving average. It coincides with the 50% fib retracement. So we have all of this happening on the chart. This is a battle we have as Doge has been fighting this sort of sideways chop that we have had since April. It is still continuing. We're still in that zone. But a close above the 1450 resistance might send the price toward 1535 resistance. Any more gains might send the price toward the 1620 level. So this would be the move up on that reverse head and shoulders that we see. Dogecoin primed for parabolic growth. Again, this was my video yesterday, and people saying, I'm misleading everybody. And I'm just like, guys, this is overall what we're seeing in the charts and the sentiment around cryptocurrency and Dogecoin. And it's now being backed up by the price action we saw last night and this morning with the move back up. The current price action contrasts its on-chain activities, which recorded a significant surge in the last 24 hours. According to data from Into the Block, large holders' net flow for the asset has shifted dramatically from negative to positive 386 million Doge. So we look at the analysts and what are they saying? So now in 2024, Doge has yet again broken out of a descending triangle. It's currently undergoing a 47% price correction. That's what we have right now. That's this pullback. Very similar to previous cycles, which could ignite the next Doge bull run. Also, Dogecoin is showing its classic pattern once again. Doge is currently consolidating after breaking out from a descending triangle. We had that back in February. Based on past trends, we might just see Doge rocket towards $1 in the coming weeks. I think that dollar is a a bit bold here right now as we're sitting in May. Let's talk about that more in the fall, probably. A little too early for that, but analyst Javon Marks describing the ongoing market behavior as a healthy pullback. According to him, Doge has the potential to hit 65 cents in a 315% surge. And Mickey Bull Crypto trader Tardigrade also asserts that the real bull is about to start. Yes, the real bull is about to start. So that's the situation we have now as we're looking at this potential completion of a reverse head and shoulders, which could then ignite a more immediate small rally, which would be a precursor to a much bigger rally coming late summer, early fall. That's what I see overall in the charts now. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about this reversal that we're starting to see now with Doge and the overall view of crypto and Dogecoin going forward? Give the video a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.